everybody, Classic Mustang Garage here. So today, well, this is going to be a series on rebuilding the front end of my Mustang. Where I have this side broke apart. And this side over here will be next. I've already compressed the springs and took the springs out of the way. So right now what I'm going to be doing is taking the fenders and the front end off the car, because I want to go ahead and sand and paint everything on the inner fenders just so it looks better, because I want all this to be like a nice gloss black color instead. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the front clip off. I'll be filming that and then we can get into front end work. Okay, so to get the headlight bezels off, there's going to be 4 Phillips head screws, and then these 4 bolts right here, that one, that one, that one, that one, are 7/16. So you just unplug the headlight from there, and then on your hood latch, remove these 2 1/2-inch bolts, and then remove these 2 right here, these 2 1/2-inch bolts, and the whole assembly will actually just slide out as one piece. So now you don't have to remove everything to get that headlight out, to get that one assembly off. 8 bolts, 8 screws, and 4 1/2-inch bolts, and it comes off. So now I'm going to do the lower bottom balance, and then we will work on the fenders. Now to move your turn signals, you'll come back here, and there is 2 5/16 nuts right there, and then you'll come around to the top and unplug this connector here and this little connector here, and the turn signal literally comes out after that. Okay, so this is an update on how far I've got so far. This top piece here is held on by 4 1/2-inch bolts. The front valance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 4 across the top and 2 on the side of 7/16 bolts, and that's how they come out. The fender is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on top. There's 1 in the door here, and then there's another 1/2-inch bolt on the bottom for the fender. This trim rocker panel molding here is held on by 1, and then 1 at the very back, 3/8 nuts, and the rest of it just pops off. So, I'll come back in a minute when I've got more of the car apart. Okay, so I got the fender off. There was 2 1/2-inch bolts here. There was 6 1/2-inch bolts here. There was 1 1/2-inch bolt right here, so you have to open the door to get to that one. There was 1 1/2-inch off the bottom, and this car had something that the 64 didn't. There was another 1/2-inch bolt here. So to access that one, you have to open up the door and see where that light's coming through. So you have to take off the kick panel right here, and there's another 1/2-inch bolt in there. So you'll have to have a deep socket for that one. I'm still honestly really amazed at this, because the 64 Mustang did not have this bolt. So I've literally been pulling on this fender now, trying to get it to come off now for about 30 minutes. And I even looked up YouTube videos on it, and not a single one showed this bolt here. But I mean, it looks original, so. So there's that bolt there, 1/2-inch down here at the bottom. This one you have to open the door to get, and that. But all this right here is gonna be sanded down, painted. The front end's all getting rebuilt. But it's hard. It's hard for me to look at this car like this. Gotta get it back together. Okay.